So this is the 2023 Jeep Rubicon Gladiator. As you can see, bone stock. It's got a hard top. Opted for the hard top. It's got the factory wheels on it. Factory rock rails. Factory 17s. Factory Rubicon fenders that are not painted. Everything is totally stock on this one. Stock headlights, not even LED. Stock everything, not even a steel bumper. Stock fog lights. Stock turn signals. Stock everything. Everything. It's got cloth interior. It's a mess in there. It does have the bigger screen in it though. I did want that. That was one thing that I did want. So yeah, this is the before. It does have the rock rail on the back to connecting with the rock rail there. But everything is there. It does have a bed liner in, but that's about it. So that's what we're gonna start with. I am gonna go with a black and red theme. My lower control arms will probably be red as well. Do some red on I'm gonna update it to the 24-25 grill. I'm gonna switch, obviously, headlights, lighting, everything about it. 24-25 grill. I'm gonna do a red accent on that as well. So as you can see, totally stock. Does have some issue with the window trim up here. I'm gonna fix that. And then obviously this is faded to hell as usual. So the fenders, so I think I gotta bring those back. And then these are faded as well. So I gotta bring those back. I do a Yoda or not a Yoda whatever. Raptorized trim. May do it on that. So this is kind of what we're starting with. I'm going to be going with a 3.5-inch lift, 37s on some new Artem Grimlock wheels. They got a matte face with a gloss black bead on them. So we'll keep the red and black theme. We'll see what we do with the fenders once we go up with it a little bit. See what we do with the side steps and everything else. I want to do Oracle tails, maybe. There's this other one on eBay that is similar to it, but a little newer style. I might go that way. But we'll see. We'll see what we have in store for this thing. Just out here in the parking lot, just showing you guys the build before. That way you can see what's going to happen and see what this is going to transform into. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. Buck Builds. The Jeep Gladiator build is now underway, and thank you for tuning in, and we will catch you on the next one. I'm going to start doing videos about all the mods coming in, so stay tuned for those, and we'll document this whole build. All right, thanks.